welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So I have a quick little haul for you, so let me show you what I got. All right, so I was at the Dollar Tree. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous, guys? I normally do a table setting for 2, so I got 2 of the coffee cups. And then these, I couldn't find the salad plates, but these are the dinner plates. Oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. Got 2 of these. All right, so now this I got from Walmart. Now, I might have shown this in a previous haul. I went back and got another one of these leaf garlands. These are gorgeous, guys. And then while I was there, I just went ahead and grabbed 2 picks. Okay, aren't they pretty? I love these. All right, so this is like a little topiary. And I love that color green. Then they had these in a box that were like 97 cents. I grabbed 2 of these. And then I needed to get 2 of these velvet black pumpkins. So that's what I got. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? Loving it. Have an amazing day, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.